Okay, well, we're going to assemble our DIY bin. We've got two 18-gallon Rubbermaid roughneck totes, and they nest together. And so the one on the inside is where all the action happens. And then this one is used to collect any leachate that might come through the system. So we'll start by making that, because we just have one hole to put in here. And this is for you to be able to drain out the leachate. So I've got a 13/16 inch bit, and we're just going to make a nice hole. And we'll make sure we get all this off. And we're going to have a cork that goes in there. And then when your bin is too wet, you can have it up on something and tip it in. Another way to drain your leachate out of your bin would be just to pull this out, but it gets really heavy. So that's the purpose of that one. And now we're going to drill this inside bin, which is a little more complicated. Okay, we're going to prepare our inside nesting bin. And I've got a 1/4 inch drill bit, and this is just for the drainage holes. So we're going to put some of these in real quickly. And you want to make sure that you have it on the outer lip, as that's what's going to be in your low section inside your bin. Okay, we're just going to put some holes around the inside of this bin for airflow. Okay, our final two holes are going to be with a 2-inch, this is called the Milwaukee Hole Dozer, and it looks like that. We're going to stick them in right under the handles. They pop through pretty quick, one on each side. And then I've got what are known as 2-inch aluminum louvers with screens, and they look like this. They've got screens on the inside and then louvers. And these snap right into these holes I drilled, one on each side. We get any of the plastic out, we flip around our bin, and there's our worm bin.